Hello traders and investors. I created this video to help you decide on which broker you should go with because I remember when I was just starting out in my stock trading journey during my college years, these kinds of video tutorial were not available during those time. So I make some researches on my own. Syempre, medyo kinakabahan pa ako, baka scam broker yung mapuntahan ko. That is why I am creating this video for you to help you because I know exactly the feeling of being overwhelmed with something you do not know much about. So basically, what is a broker? A broker is an institution who executes order in the market on behalf of clients. So choosing the right broker can have a critical impact for your success of your trading journey also. Now we will be going to have a walkthrough from one of the best and trusted brokers of which I am doing my transaction with, which is AB Capital Securities. What I love with this platform is that they have two platforms. If you are just starting out or newbie pa lang on the market, you can use this AB Capital Classic view, a very straightforward and non-overwhelming view. However, if you are a professional trader already or yung mga tinatawag nating market veterans, using AB Capital Advantage will give you a huge competitive advantage over your trading activities. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you on how you can navigate with your AB Capital Advantage. After logging in with your account, in your main homepage, you can see the summary of the market index located at the most left part of your screen. You can see that our index is trading at 7,340 points together with the performances of different industries such as finance, industrial, holdings, properties, services, mining and oil, which as you can see are all green today. You can also customize your watch list according to your preferences. To do that, click the watch list tab button here and click the edit button to add a new stock. Let's say you want to add ALDI in your watch list. Click the plus sign button here when you're done. Click done and you will see that ALDI will be reflected or added into your watch list. You can categorize them up to 5 groups with 30 different watch lists on each group. Now, in the center of your screen is your multiple bid and ask screen. You can adjust it by 2 columns or 3 columns by clicking this button. You can also customize them per page over here. To enter a stock in your monitoring tab, just key in the stock ticker name and hit enter. For example, we want to add Converge on our list, ALDI, and Ayala Land. The bid and ask will be shown immediately. What I like with this feature is that you can see all of your watchlist stock on one glance and execute a trade without navigating into different tabs. With Quick Trade feature, you can possibly do that. Head to the most right part of your screen if you wanted to execute a trade. For traders like me, turning off the confirmation password is very helpful, since you will be saving a lot of time typing in your password, especially in a high volatile market. Click the Market Pressure tab to see the market sentiment on each of your watch lists, whether it is on the bullish side or bearish side. And as you can observe, Converge is more bullish because of the green bar is longer than the red bar, while DMC is on the bearish side, which has longer red bar compared on the green bar. Click the stock tab over here on top of your screen so that you can see the detailed information regarding with your stock. Type in the search box the ticker of your stock that you wanted to look at. For example, ALDI. Here, you can see the top 10 bid and ask prices and volume, together with the time of sales, the company news, and disclosures also. Now, let us visit the Index tab if you wanted to see the overview performances of our index. You can also observe here that the market movers are displayed, as well as the top gainers and losers, and the most active stocks. You can also see how many stocks that advances and declines over here. Now, I will introduce to you the most important function that you can have with AB Capital Advantage, which is the Stats tab. Click on the Analytics heading and go to the Consensus subheading over here, and you can see the analyst consensus regarding on each of your watch lists. For example, with ASEN over here, they are trying to tell us that it has a 5.55 pesos per share average price, and therefore you should be thinking of selling or reducing your allocations already, as reflected on the consensus rating. You can visit the fundamentals and technical subheadings over here to see more information regarding with your watch list. On the research tab, you can read more about regarding with your stock, the consensus target, and its rating. Based on what we are seeing right now with Converge, majority of the analysts are trying to tell us that we should add more exposure to this stock, since the current market price of this stock is undervalued compared to its fair value price, of which they believe it should be trading at 36.52 pesos per share on average. You can also click the AB Capital heading here to read some daily and weekly reports, special reports, and technical analysis. Click here to view them. Lastly, there's a chart tab over here for you to actually view the graphical performance of your stocks, and the news tab over here for you to have the latest daily dose of news and disclosures regarding with the market action. What I love with AB Capital Advantage platform is its sophisticatedness, doing your monitoring and buy and sell transaction in one glance with the help of QuickTrade. If you wanted to know more about AB Capital or wanted to try out their platform, send them a message, and their customer services are very responsive, of which I highly appreciated whenever I need some urgent assistance or some important market information. They almost always attend to my request immediately and assist me. Have a great day and God bless.
Here's how to open an account completely online. First, go to our website and click on Open an Account. Fill out the online application form, then upload the following requirements: a scan or photo of one valid ID with 3 specimen signatures on a piece of paper, a scan or photo of one proof of address, and a selfie with your valid ID. Next, our customer service representative will contact you for your video call verification schedule. After the video call verification, all you have to do is wait for the confirmation email, and that's it. You can start trading stocks online as soon as your account is activated. Happy trading!
If you open your AB Capital account, just mention my name, Herald Tan, to them para fast lane transaction kayo at iwa-waive na nila yung lengthy video call verification at mau-open na yung account ninyo within 2 to 3 days.